Okay, I love the look of this fan, but I am so disgusted with the way it sounds. The fan actually came today, and when you turn the fan on the high setting, it's perfect. It blows out air perfectly. Very nice breeze. Now I'm going to turn the fan on medium. All I'm doing is turning the medium button. I don't know what happens. Check it out. That's what the fan sounds like on medium. As you can see, it sounds like it's broken. I'm going to turn it now on the low setting. So this is the low setting. Fan just came out of the box today. I received the fan today in the mail. Hasn't been dropped, hasn't been, in fact, it was packaged beautifully, and it does come in its own protective bag. Again, medium. It sounds like it's about to stop at any minute. And then this is it on high. So I'm not sure what the issue is or why it's doing this. I do see that other people have also complained about the way the fan sounds. So that's my review, and why I definitely although the fan is beautiful, why I definitely cannot give this a 5-star or 4-star, considering that the fan was almost $200. So I'm very upset about the way it shouldn't sound like that at all.